Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are well. Now today we start chapter 3, start from basic. Chapter name is coordinate geometry. What is the meaning of coordinate, geo and metric? Coordinate means address, geo means shape and matrix means measurement. What is the meaning of the address, shape and measurement? Suppose here I make a one figure A, B, C, D. I locate point A, B, C, D. Now, who tell what is the distance between AB, what is the distance between BC, what is the distance between CD and what is the distance between AD? Who tell about this distance? Who tell about this distance? That is coordinate. जो distance हमें बताता है, it is called coordinate. It means allocate a point on the plane. We need to independent information. Now start from here. Every line or curve or shape is made up of points. All those points have address. I mean to say coordinate. In the proper definition, you can say that to locate a point on plane flat surface, we need two independent information. It means when I have a proper information, exact information, suppose AB distance is 2 centimeter, this distance is 3 centimeter, this distance, whatever it is called proper address. For example, maybe I am live on a Barnala road. Now, live on the Barnala road, Bhagat Singh Colony, Street 1. Now, how to know कि I am living in Bhagat Singh Colony? When you have proper address of my house, then you can find my house easily. Same as in map. When you have proper points, you can make figure easily. It's called a coordinate geometry. Now, in next topic, we are talking about Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. This line is called horizontal. Horizontal line is called x-axis. This line is called vertical line, is called y-axis. Here x is positive and left hand side x value is negative. Same here y negative and y positive. This plane, these two lines divide the figure into four parts is called quadrant. Is called quadrant. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Now, when we are talking about the symbols, value of the symbol, x comma y, here both are plus, here x is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant, both are negative, x and y. When we are talking about the fourth quadrant, here x is positive and y is negative. It is the most important for you. This Cartesian plan make with two lines. These two lines divide into four equal parts is called a Cartesian plane. As well as a stand where two lines intersect on the point O is called origin. Is called origin. Now students, we are talking about some basic terms. Basic terms. Term number 1. When we are talking about coordinate made with two numbers x and y, two variables x and y. Here x X is called abscissa and Y is called ordinate. Both make coordinate. Number 2, when we are talking about x-axis, means y equal to 0. If we are talking about y-axis, means x equal to 0. Number 3, the point of intersections of the axis, the point of intersection of the axis is called origin. What is the meaning of this number? The point of intersections of the axis is called origin. When I make the two lines, when I make two lines and two lines are intersect on particular point. Particular point is called origin. Here is origin. Origin means x and y both are 0. Point number 4. Abscissa of all points on y-axis. Abscissa of the all points on y-axis is 0. What is the meaning of this? Abscissa of all points on y-axis. Y-axis, when we are talking about y-axis, it means x equal to 0. So, when abscissa of the all point y-axis is 0, मतलब जब कोई लाइन y-axis पे हम ड्रॉ करते हैं, it means this x क्या होगा हमारे पास 0. X abscissa. Here I am talking about abscissa x. Point number 5. Ordinate of all points on x-axis is 0. Here, what is the meaning of ordinate here? Y. And what is the meaning of x-axis? Y equal to 0. Whenever I draw a point on the horizontal line, it means, suppose I draw here 3, 0. It means when I locate here, minus 3, when I locate point here, it means this point on x-axis. X-axis means y0. When I locate the point abscissa of y-axis, it means x value is 0. So suppose here 0, 3. So I am locate point here 3. It means here 0. Okay. So this is the basic of chapter 3. Exercise 3.1. First question. How will you describe the positions of table and on your study table to another person? So, I already draw one figure here. It's called table. Here I am written longer left, longer right, shorter left, shorter right. Point is not given to me. Then I write down here approximate 25 and here approximate write down 30, 35, whatever you can write. So, how to write here a fixed point? Suppose longer left 25, shorter left 35. In second way, it is the first way you can write. In the second way, how to write? Longer right, from longer right, from here, longer right. 35, and from here short. It is so near, that's why. And shorter right 25. If now how to write down in the coordinate form? You can write 25, 35 and second 35 and 25 as you wish. Whatever you can write, that is your wish. Here I am taking approximate distance and here also I am taking approximate distance. You can take here 25, 35, 40, 100, 20, 25. But how to write? I have a two way to write. Longer left, shorter right. Longer right, shorter right. So in this two way, I write down the points 25, 35, 35, 25. Question number 2. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. Now I have two roads, one road and second road. One road is horizontal and second road is vertical. These two roads are along the north, south direction and east and west direction. All the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads are 200 meters apart. These 5 streets in each direction. In each direction, 5 streets I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and last one 5. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. And what is the distance between 200 meter, 200 meter, meter. Draw a model of the city on your notebook and represent the road street by the single line. Here is also 5 roads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Meter. Now, is it okay? S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. Now, there are many cross streets in your model. You look at the model. I have a 5 street in upper side, I mean to say west to east, and 5 I have north to south. A particular cross street is made by the 2 streets. 2 streets के साथ 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 street I have 1 and 2. In a particular street. One running in the north south, in the north south, and another in east west. East west. Each cross street is referred to the following manners. If the second street running in the north and south direction, second street, 1 and 2, second street in north and south direction, here, like this line. Okay. And fifth, in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, then we will call the cross street 2, 5 straight here. Cut on here. Common point 2,5. Here. Next, represent 4,3 and after that 3,4. And point 4 represent north south, and third street represent west and east. Same here. Point 3 represent north and south, and fourth point represent west and east. So first we are talking about the fourth street, north and south. North and south in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth street is here. Fourth. After that, third. 1, 2, 3. And third street here. Both points are meet here. So it is called 4 and 3. Next, third. First, second, third. Third street is here. And west, fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Common point. I want to need common point where two lines intersect. And suppose here I 1, 2, 3. Third street I have this row. And fourth, west east. 1, 2, 3, 4. West east. Both lines were cut here. This point is called 3,4. So, I think now it is clear. With the help of this video, please complete your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.